Hello, friends. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of May the 25th to the 31st, and we are smack dab in the center of Memorial Day weekend. And with that, a lot of us got the 10 back when you spend 40 booster, valid all week, and then a 3 back when you buy 2 P&G dental care products. Make sure you load both of these boosters for next week. So we also have online only a couple extra coupon codes with Memorial Day, and there's probably going to be a free photo thrown into the mix. So once I have that code for the free photo, I will share it with you guys. But it's definitely a way to see if a booster will print for free, which is awesome. Plus these little coupon codes for online deals. If you guys could do me a huge favor and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Really helps out me and the channel if you could take a second and like the video. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, and please treat this video as a preview. The full ad along with all of the digital coupons will be published in the Walgreens app on Sunday the 25th. We're just looking at deals that should be popping up next week with usually a lot of success, but this video is simply a preview. Keeping this brief, Fetch Rewards has Fetchtopia from the 21st to the 27th. Listen to me very carefully, guys. I'm not putting any of these deals in any of my matchups, period, end of story. I tried to do a deal on the 21st and I got jerked around majorly. And they're not even trying to help me with any of this. And I'm out $8. I do not want you guys to lose as much as 1 cent because we're all about saving money on this channel. I would pass on this. If you want a future video, let me know in the comments down below. Go to my Instagram and read about it. This has been going on for a couple days where people are sharing their stories and none of this is positive. A lot of people, like myself, we're getting, jerked around and cheated out of points that were supposed to be there, and the terms of service magically change, and you're like, what? I wouldn't do any of these. But you know what store has excellent customer service? Walgreens. Fetch, take a page from that. Okay, let's hop right into these Walgreens deals. The first is going to be on the Doritos and the Sun Chips 2 for $7. With Memorial Day, we have tons of good food deals. They want to feed us well, so we're going to look at 2 different deals. So with the Doritos, we have this digital coupon, which is a 3 off of 3. Hopefully you still have it. So grabbing 3 bags of those Doritos, it's going to be $10.50. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $7.50 for the 3 or $2.50 per bag. It makes it 11 cents per chip if you open them up and count them out. And I just made that up. But what a great deal. My husband, on the rare occasion, loves Doritos. So this is a very good deal to stock up for the summer months, if not for Memorial Day. If you want to use Walgreens cash, you're doing this deal with no booster, by all means, make it happen. So if you go over to another app, IBOTTA, and they've always been awesome with me, it's $1 back per bag with a limit of up to 5 times. And if you remember from the first deal that I was showing you, Sun Chips are in fact part of it. So what you're going to do, guys, is grab 3 bags, pay the $10.50 or roll $10 in Walgreens cash, photograph that receipt to IBOTTA for $3 back. It's the same price point as the Doritos. What a deal. Another food deal is with the Jack's Pizzas. This is Ibotta, and there's $1 back with a limit of up to 5 times. I know that Fetch also has a rebate for the Jack's Pizza. Do that at your discretion. I'm not going to co-sign on them right now. So anyhow, with Walgreens, these pizzas are 2 for $8. After $1 back from each from Ibotta, you're going to need a receipt, obviously. It'll make it $6 for 2 or $3 per pizza. So if you wanted to stock up on cheaper pizzas, this is more of a thin crust consistency, these Jack's Pizzas, but always a great thing to have in your freezer during the summer months. Throw this on the grill or throw it in the oven for a quick meal. They're always fantastic to have. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is the 2 for $5 for the General Mills cereal. I would definitely look in Ibotta or Checkout 51 if there might be a rebate for one of these flavors. Maybe, possibly, maybe. You never know. Currently, we have this $1 off 2 digital coupon. Please make sure you have it loaded. This is a very basic deal. Grabbing 2 of these cereals for $5. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay 4 for 2 or $2 a box. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but $2 per box, that's not the worst price. And if IBOTTA might have a rebate, or one of the apps might have a rebate for General Mills cereal, definitely look and see what there might be, because you could possibly make this a better deal. But right now, I don't see anything on my radar. So sorry, guys. Moving along, we also have this Dove Men's. So it's important that it's men's. We're getting a 6 off 2 digital coupon, and they're buy one get one 50% off. Grabbing 2 of the bar deodorants, it'll be $9.73, the Degree Men's. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $3.73 for the 2, or $1.86 per deodorant. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now this deal is back, the 2 for $8 on the Garnier Fructis and Whole Blends. I know right now we have like a Fructis digital coupon. So grabbing 2 of these for $8, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $5. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $2 for 2, or $1 per Garnier. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And typically when they offer this, you get a 3 off 2 for the Fructis and a 3 off 2 for the Whole Blends. So if you have both digital coupons, you must do the deal in 2 separate transactions, so that register reward will print twice for you. Let's not forget that for the maximum savings if you're going to do the deal twice. And we have our best friend, which is the Colgate products at $4. $4 reward when you buy 2. And I'm assuming that's going to be a 3 off 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of the paste for $8. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2, or 50 cents per. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And probably my favorite super duper deal is the $5.99 Irish Spring soft soap, all these different body washes. Grabbing 2 of them at $5.99, that's $11.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $8.98. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $6.98 for the 2, or $3.49 per product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And like, what a fantastic price point to stock up on hand soap for this week at $3.49 a pop. Now we're just going to talk about some basic deals. The first going to the 4 for $10 for the Tide Simply, Bounce, Downy, these good items. There may or may not be a digital coupon to go with. If you have extra register rewards or Walgreens cash floating around, if you want to throw it towards this deal and you're a new couponer, by all means go for it. And this is back, the buy one get 2 for free on the Complete Home food storage bags, the Walgreens brand. $2.79 for the first. The other 2 are free. So it basically makes it 93 cents per box of 20 count of these like food storage bags, sandwich bags, whatever you want to call them, which is a fantastic price point. Okay, now we're going to talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first one goes to the You Buy Kotex that's still buy one, get one 50% off. $5 in Walgreens cash when you buy 3. This one on clearance last Tuesday at a lot of stores. Now, if you could track down 3 of them on clearance, you're going to get your $5 back in Walgreens cash. And a lot of this stuff is part of it. And I had a lot of success with this 70-cent one. It made it like almost a $3 moneymaker. So if you can make this happen and track some of these down, yeah, make it happen, but in sets of 3. Maybelline Cosmetics, we have a 5 off a 2 digital coupon. Lots of cosmetics right now is on clearance. So if we can get that 5 off 2 to attach to some clearance makeup, that might be a really good deal for some of us. Not everybody can find the clearance. And also we have the 3 for $9.99 of the Nice brand water. So if you need to stock up for those hot summer months, this is not a bad little deal. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.